Right, so the product we've got here is the WD-40 Specialist Silicone. It pretty much prevents parts from sticking, waterproof, and protects against moisture. Can be used on metal, plastic, rubber, and wood. It's pretty much designed to take care of those more demanding maintenance tasks. And the straw enables narrow spray applications. It works across a wide range of temperatures, from about minus 35 degrees centigrade to about 200 degrees centigrade. And this property makes it suitable across a wide variety of surfaces. But more importantly, it provides excellent lubrication for high pressure equipment to stop parts sticking, and that's what I need. So this window here, doesn't slide all the way up. So when you press on the power window switch or button, it pretty much slides up 3/4 of its length, then starts retracting or, reclusing back into its resting position. And the only way, to get it up fully would be to manually, press on the control switch and use your hand to support the window to basically provide support to the window whilst you slide it up. And you don't want to be caught out, during the rainy season where water just gets into your car and you can't wind up your glass or your window. So to get around this, to troubleshoot or rework, the window, I would apply WD-40 around the line of travel, of the window. So just on both sides. Just on the left and right hand side of the window. There's no point putting WD-40 at the very top, at the bottom of the window perimeter. It's not along the line of travel. So I just pretty much wipe off the WD-40 and lubricate the line of travel. And just make sure that I wipe off any excess overspray from the WD-40 on the bodywork or the paint, so that the sun doesn't bake the silicone on the paint. But basically just power the control switch, the window control switch, and get the window lubricating pads around this line of travel, and you can see the squeakiness has stopped. It's not sticky. The window moves up and down perfectly well. It doesn't stall, it doesn't stop, and that's exactly what we want. And thanks to WD-40, because I've tried everything in the book, but it didn't work. So I'd lubricate the parts again. The left hand side and right hand side, which is the line of travel, just to make sure that there is about enough, and I'll let it seep into the moving parts. And hit the window control switch, just get it lubricating parts internally. Extend or slide the window up at full blast, and retract it back into its resting position. And I'll do that continuously till I'm satisfied that I'm hearing no squeaky noise, and that the window slides up and down smoothly, as opposed to sticking, getting stuck, and moving off its position. So I'll get the WD-40 on the car door bottom hinges, and as well as the top hinges. You can extend the application to the door lock striker plate. But pretty much just lubricate all the moving parts there, so that you're getting rid of any rust. And it's a water displacer, so it will displace water there and keep the parts pretty much lubricated. And I'll also extend the application to the boot as well once I'm done with the bottom hinges on all the doors. And you can see, the hydraulics and, the moving parts, at the boots. I sprayed the WD-40 just to ensure that, it's properly lubricated. Pretty much cars, are always outside. I'm subject to varying weather conditions and oxidation and whatnot. So it's always a very good idea to lubricate the parts in your vehicle, just to ensure that, you're getting a smooth operation, and they're performing optimally. Restoring your squeaky car windows to optimal performance is so simple, but yet so effective. So it's a no-brainer. And that's about it, really. If you found the information in the video useful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and hopefully catch up with you soon. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Catch up later. Bye.